Good morning to all of you. Andarki Shubhodayam. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkara. Honorable Supreme Court of India, two judges bench, Justice Vikramnath and Sandeep Mehta, held that a right to receive education in the mother tongue is a fundamental right of the child under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India. See the beauty of the interpretation. Actually, we think that Article 19(1)(a) gives the freedom of speech and expression for the citizens. Of course, child is also a citizen, father of the nation. So, in the case of Padam Mehta and another, Padam Mehta and another versus the state of Rajasthan and others, SLP number 1425 by 2025. On 12th May, just 2 days back, 12th May 2026, Honorable Supreme Court held that the right of a child to receive the education in his mother tongue can be rooted, can be traced in the roots of Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India. Friends, you all know that this is a much debated subject. People say that the child can understand the concepts better in his own mother tongue or in the language known to him. But some governments, they want to introduce as the medium of education. Of course, because of the prospects in future. Always it's a controversial topic. Here, Supreme Court held that, yes, better educate the children in their mother tongue. Coming to the facts of the case, this Padam Mehta and another, they approached the High Court of Rajasthan, seeking the state of Rajasthan to include Rajasthani language. Of course, for the post of the teachers, grade 1, level 1, level 2, grade 3 and other things. And by the by, he also sought directions to the state to impart, to give education in Rajasthani language, particularly to the children. So he wanted a writ of mandamus, that is writ of mandamus to the state in this direction. But High Court dismissed the writ of mandamus, stating that no doubt we will issue the writ of mandamus only when you are establishing, when you are able to establish the existence of any established right for the children to be taught education in their mother tongue. So therefore, since he is not able to produce any evidence, the writ petition was dismissed. As against this, the man approached the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Supreme Court of India said that language existed in one form or the other for the communication since time immemorial. If you want to speak to the other person, definitely you should have some dialect or some language. Whether it is having a written script or not is a different thing. But language is existing in some form or the Sangnal gani, Moga Bhasha gani, let edaina undi. It plays an active role in the actual shaping the unity and identity of the nation. Of course, you know, according to 8th schedule, 22 languages have been identified so far in India. So it reflects the linguistic diversity. Now coming to instruction in the mother tongue. Instruction in the mother language or language of choice fortifies the learner's conceptual clarity, understanding the concept. సపోజ్ నేను నిన్ను ఒక దెబ్బ కొట్టానయ్యా, గబక్కన ఏమంటావు, అమ్మ అంటావు, మమ్మీ అంటావా? ఇట్స్ నాట్ పాసిబుల్. సో మదర్ టంగ్ ఈజ్ దట్ మచ్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇట్ ఎన్ష్యూర్స్ డీప్ కాగ్నిటివ్ ఎంగేజ్మెంట్, కాగ్నిటివ్ బ్రెయిన్, అవర్ బ్రెయిన్ ఇస్ కాగ్నిటివ్, మంచి చెడు ఆలోచించేది. ఇట్ ensures deeper cognitive engagement and secures the constitutional promise of meaningful access to the knowledge. So better if he is able to understand, then only he becomes a good educator. Education better to be in the mother tongue. In this connection, Honorable Supreme Court of India placed reliance on the case State of Karnataka versus Associated Management of Engineering, Medical, Primary and Secondary Schools, where they want to impart English as the medium of education. Now, Supreme Court observed that Article 19(1)(a) recognizes this as a right to receive information in his own language, right to receive education in his own language, that is the mother tongue. Therefore, Supreme Court directed the state of Rajasthan to take steps to introduce Rajasthani as a subject in all government as well as private schools. Very good decision. So please read the case law and definitely you will be enriched with the knowledge particularly on the mother tongue. I am stopping here. Thank you very much.